I'm Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making a chicken cordon bleu casserole. So what I love about this recipe is you can use your holiday leftovers, which is fabulous. Your chicken, your turkey, your ham, great recipe, very easy. I love my Omnia. The recipe will be in the description below. Please smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you're interested in our Omnia oven, the link will be on our website, littlehouseofbeans.com. Just go to the gear page and there you will find the Omnia oven. I'm ready to cook. Let's cook!